Every day, our police officers face scenes and situations that are traumatic. It can be tough on officers to process and deal with the emotional toll of those experiences.
Well, today, the Police Benevolent Foundation hosted their Behind the Badge seminar at Forsyth Tech, centered on the constant battles that law enforcement officers face with depression, PTSD, and suicide. Fox 8's Elijah Skipper joins us now. You attended that seminar today, Elijah. How common is this?
Yeah, the numbers paint a very grim reality for many of our officers. Last year, 3 officers committed suicide in North Carolina. So far this year, 5 officers have taken their own lives across the state. 98% of law enforcement report having a thought about suicide, and 60% have had a plan to carry it out at one time.
We get a lot of training on how to stay alive on the street, but nothing on how to stay alive at home.
It's not an easy conversation, but one that must be had.
If a banker gets caught stealing money, he's got to go home and find the weapon, find the mechanism. If a cop wants to do it, a second and a half later, his life is over. There's no time to contemplate.
The law enforcement mental health crisis is very much real. A line of work filled with constant battles with depression, PTSD, and suicide.
It didn't register with me initially, but now I can never get that sound out of my head. I'll forever keep that sound. And just as traumatic as the incident was itself was sharing with my daughter what had just happened.
Kimberly Webb knows all too well the silent struggles these officers face. Her husband, Donald Webb, an officer with the Greensboro Police Department, took his life last year.
There was nothing out of the ordinary in the days or the hours leading up to it. He sounded just like himself. He asked me a couple of questions about forgiveness and stated that my daughter and I were the strongest people he knew, and then the shot went out.
That shot is one heard across the nation. Of the 169 law enforcement suicides last year, 64 were by gunfire. Jeannie Grubbs is another who has felt that pain.
My phone vibrated, and I picked it up to look at it, and as I looked at it and read the text that said, "I love you so much," I heard the shot.
The 2 women now together, telling their stories to keep each other strong.
Our situations are so different, and yet they are so much the same. We all grieve differently, and yet we all grieve well together when we do get together.
The Police Benevolent Foundation asks that any officers who may be struggling with mental health issues to give a call to their 24-hour COP line number. That number is 800-COP-LINE.
Elijah, thank you so much.